Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use a repair kit in Hytale, okay? Now this is going to work differently in the repair system from games such as Minecraft, because here you're not going to combine different items in an anvil, but instead you'll use a consumable repair kit, okay? So I'm going to show you how you can actually use this. It's very simple guys. Once you have created it, okay, I just want to come to the inventory. Let's actually look for it. Repair kit, as you can see it's here, it looks like this, okay, and it says use to repair tools, weapons and armor. Repair items will lose up to 10% of their maximum durability. Okay, so once you use your weapons, your armor and stuff like that, you're gonna be able to repair them because they're gonna be like less durable. Okay, they're gonna get wasted. Okay, so I just wanted to put them on your quick toolbar in here. As you can see, put them on my second button. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on it and I'm gonna right click on it. Okay, and here this menu is gonna pop up showing me all the damageable items currently in my inventory. Okay, so you're just gonna have to click on the item that you want to repair. In this case, I have nothing, that is currently broken. But yeah, the more you use it, the more it's gonna get broken. So yeah, you're totally gonna be able to do this. And as you can see, I have 25 of them right now. Okay, thank you so much.